Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name's Alise. So today I'm doing something super exciting. At least I think this is super exciting because I finally have a full face of makeup from drugstore brands. So I'm super excited. So basically I'm going to do a full face of makeup using only drugstore items. A lot of them are Maybelline. Honestly, like 90% of my makeup that I'm going to use today is Maybelline. Maybelline is my favorite drugstore brand, so I just have a lot of that. So, yeah. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I make new videos. And let's just get right into this video. I'm so excited. Okay, so I already did my brows, and I used honestly one of my new favorite brow pencils ever. It is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I love it so much. It reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Brow Definer, Maybelline Brow Definer. I have the shade Medium Brown. I really like it. I love the way, that it applies. It has this really tiny, cute spoolie on here, and I think it's adorable. It's awkward at first to use, but I really like it. So that's what I used on my brows today. For my primer, I'm actually going to be using the Master Prime Primer. It is the Blur and Smooth. This is from Maybelline as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to mostly my T-zone, since that's where I tend to get more oily. And then while that's sinking into my face, we're actually going to do the eyes first today. So I'm actually just going to take a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to use this as a primer for my lid. So I really want to use this Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome. This is in the shade Bronze. I really want to use this. So I think I'm going to use this last. We will see. I do have some of the Maybelline City Mini palettes, so I want to dip into these a little bit. We will see how this look goes. So I think I'm going to go into the Downtown Sunrise palette, and I'm going to take the lightest shade right here and just set that concealer on my eye. I'm going to dip into the same palette. I'm going to take this deep chocolate brown color right here, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. And I think I want to go for a little bit more of a smoky look, so I brought it all the way in. I'm just going to take a little bit more of this light shade right here, and I'm going to go right above that color on the brow bone just to kind of blend that out. Now I think I'm just going to go right in with this Color Tattoo Eye Chrome from Maybelline. Again, it's in the shade Bronze. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and then blend it out with a brush. And I'm going to work one eye at a time just because I don't know how this dries down. So it's definitely not as sparkly and glittery as I thought it was going to be. So I think I'm going to have to go in with another palette and add like a little sparkle to the lid. But it is applying really well and it's blending out very nicely. So that's a plus. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go into the Chill Brunch Neutrals palette. It looks like this. And I'm just going to place this really pretty champagne-y color on my lid, and I'm just going to use that on my finger and apply that right to the center. Yeah, that definitely amped it up a little bit. I like it. I honestly have no idea where I'm going with this look, but you know what? We'll get there. I think I just want to go back into the Downtown Sunrise palette, and there's this really pretty, almost gold, rose gold color, glitter color in here. And I'm just going to take a little mini brush and apply that right on top of that glitter. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eyes. I actually really like how it looks. That little bit of sparkle on the lid looks super pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I have really been liking this stuff. I feel like it really compares to the Benefit Roller Lash. I find that it kind of has the same consistency and it has the same brush application as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. So I don't know if you can tell, but here's one eyelash that's done and this eyelash isn't done. It really lifts your lashes. And I'm going to be moving on to foundation since I already let my primer, soak into my skin. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. I actually just got this stuff. I've used it maybe twice, and so far I really like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Okay, now I'm going to take some concealer, and I'm actually going to be using the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer. This is only like $6, and I find it works really well. This is in the shade 7.5 Biscotti. And I'm just going to go and conceal. And then blend. Looking real good. Really brightens up your under eyes a lot. I really like this. It's super lightweight also. It doesn't feel heavy under the eyes at all. I'm just going to get in these inner corners and blend that out some more. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake a little bit, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade Fair. And I'm just going to take some on my sponge. Okay, so I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. Okay, and while I'm letting this sit, I'm actually just going to bronze up my skin a little bit. I'm not going to do any contouring, I'm just going to bronze. So I'm going to be using another bronzer that I've been reaching for on the daily. This is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends in the shade Natural Radiance Bronzer 30 Sun Kiss. I've been loving this stuff. It is, ooh, oh my god, I think I just got my nail in it. Okay, so it looks like this. It has like 4 different shades in it, and I literally just blend it all together. So I'm going to be using this giant fluffy brush from Tarte, and I'm literally just going to go like this and start blending that out. Literally just gives the most natural, gorgeous sun-kissed glow. I love it. Now I'm just going to dust away all of this powder. We are really bright. I like it. I'm just going to take a little bit more bronzer. Okay, and for blush today, I'm going to be using another Maybelline product. Go figure. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Peach. I love it. It's so pretty. And then for highlight, I'm going to be taking the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. This is honestly a very intense highlight, so why not? Because we are all glam and intense today. So, yeah. Man, look at that. Wow, this highlight is no joke. Like, no joke. Look at that. Cute stuff. I'm going to take some on the inner corners. And I'm just going to take some on the bridge of my nose. And then let's also take some on the collarbones. Wow, look at this highlight. Oh my gosh. Wow, I bought this like so long ago and I've never used it. And then on the shoulders. Oh my god, I hope it's picking up this good on camera because I'm just gonna keep on highlighting. You know. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Rodeo Drive. Let's go. Okay, now I think for the lip, I don't know what I want to do for the lip. I don't know if I want to go like nude or red. What about like this color? I know this isn't really summery, but it's so pretty. I might just do it. Let's just do it. I'm going to go with, this color is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Ruler. Okay, so I would definitely recommend applying a lip liner with this, maybe this dark of a shade. I'm like having such struggles trying to line this. It does have that pointed applicator tip, which is super nice, but I find that it's still hard to like carve out that lip. But this color is gorgeous and it's already drying down. I do find that these wear super nice. I really, really love them. I have a few shades. I love them. I have the shade Heroine. This is the shade I wore in my last two videos. I love this shade. It's that bright orangey red color. And then I also have the shade Loyalist, which looks like it'd be super like a baby pink, but it's actually not. It's more of a nudie pink. And then I have the shade that I'm wearing right now, which is Ruler, which I actually really like a lot. Looks super cute. It's a little bit sticky, but hopefully like once it really dries down, it'll be a lot better. Wow, look at this highlight. Wow. Yeah, so that is the whole video. It was a full face of all drugstore makeup, mostly Maybelline, but we had a little bit of Ofra, Neutrogena, Sephora in there. I really, really actually like the way that it turned out. The only thing that I don't like, and I don't know what's going on, but on the top part of my nose, only the top part of my nose, it almost is like my foundation and concealer is breaking up. I don't know if maybe I just applied a little bit too much or what, or if just, you know, it just didn't work out on my nose. Not really sure. But other than that, everything looks really, really, really good. I am most impressed by this Ofra highlight in Rodeo Drive. Girl, you'll see this from NASA in space. Look at that. So, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see more drugstore looks, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Bye guys!